You're probably wondering, are you gonna eat all this?
Eggplant.
Is the spoon too small?
You want a vegetarian plate.
Okay. I'll come back with you. This is
And
like
then
this
fried
size,
rice.
right?
Do you have smaller than that? Medium one?
Three kind. One of this one. One is for
I
tea.
know this is for soup.
Yes. So
Next
we
time I
only.
bring my own spoon.
I know three kind of sauce. The spoon. One of a small one.
Yeah.
One a big one.
And
One
soup.
this one.
Thank you.
So which one? or you like this big one?
Maybe just take the one, that one.
Only it's just
Yeah, I can have another one because this is
give me
spicy.
some.
You want one like this? Okay, I'll come back with you.
Thanks.
Walang clumps.
Malaki ang shell. Ay, mali. Hindi mataba.
Nagmukbang kami. Mukbang.
You do it on your Bisaya video.
Yeah, mukbang. Pilipino mukbang. Okay, Bisaya mukbang. Mukbang kain. Magkain ba na? Magkamay na. Nagkamay na si Josie. Oh. Mangaon tayo. Welcome to Bisaya Made in Washington.
Ilang dika.
Bye, Juicy. Katugnaw. Okay, bye-bye.
See you tonight.
See you tonight.
In the morning.
Okay, yeah. Salamat.
Thank you for the invite.
Yeah.
Nice time.
Thank you na. You meet Paulina.
I was gonna say, where are you going tonight?
Trabaho eh. No going anywhere. I'm going to sleep.
Oh, you all work together?
Yeah. No. She drove. That's your car. That's Paulina's car. Where's yours? That one? Oh, magkatabi lang kayo. Okay. Bye.